Adios first term. I've been experiencing countless sleepless nights, crying, self-doubt, contemplating decisions, and questioning my own worth. My life here in psychology wasn't easy. It made me question my existence. Do I really see myself here in this field, or I simply want to be fixed? That was one of the questions I keep asking and keep recalling whenever I feel so down and unmotivated. But I realized that college isn't about who will be the first one to graduate, but it's all about keep showing up even though it's hard. Minsan mapapatanong ka na lang na may patutunguhan pa ba to? Anong mangyayari after college? Because sometimes it's really hard to keep up with the things that it seems so easy, but if you are on the position, it's not easy. Hindi mo ma-explain kung bakit nahihirapan ka. Pero hindi mo rin naman maintindihan kung madali ba talaga o sadyang you're not really in the peaceful state of yourself. That's why I'm really thankful and grateful that I found my safest circle of friends. Now, even though it's not that easy to keep up with things and the demand with the program, it made me easier to adjust because there are people na naniniwala sa kakayanan ko at naniniwala na kakayanan ko.
미지근한 샤워와 내 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고 싶을 뿐이야. 미지근한 샤워와 내 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고 싶을 뿐이야.